I'm going to be talking about, now stick with me on this one, artificial intelligence and the voice. You may think, what does that mean? What we're going to be doing is looking at different types of artificial intelligence used in voice production and analysis to see one of two things. The first is, how can we use artificial intelligence to help you simply with an app on your telephone to become a better speaker? And the second is to see how artificial intelligence for the voice is being used in businesses to increase customer satisfaction, to be able to detect all kinds of emotional and behavioral signals. It's amazing. So if you want to learn more about artificial intelligence and voice, and again, that sounds so boring. No, if you want to learn more about the future of voice production, the future of speaking in using technology to help you become a better speaker or to improve your business results, then come to my session at Innovation in Speaking.